In this quick video, I'll explain how to use Immersive Reader to read aloud translated text. So your students will first need to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Immersive Reader. If they don't have access to the Chrome Web Store, submit a ticket to your IT department to have the extension pushed out to students. Assuming they have access to the Chrome Web Store, they should be able to search for Immersive Reader. Then they'll see something that looks like this. They should go ahead and click on that, and then click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension, and it will briefly appear in the bar in the top right corner, and then disappear. Students will then want to click the puzzle piece, and then we're going to pin it to the main bar so it's always present. Use Immersive Reader. We're going to click the pin so then it stays visible on our Chrome browser. Now your students will be able to use Immersive Reader. So we'll go to a particular website I might use for class. In this example, I've brought up Newsela. I can adjust the website as needed. And while in this example, Newsela does read it aloud, it doesn't translate it. So what I'm going to do is highlight my text and then right-click over it. Remember on the Chromebook, that's a 2-finger tap. Then I'll click Help Me Read This. And now it's sending that text over to Immersive Reader. Now from here, I can just have it read aloud in English, or I can click the book icon in the top right corner and translate to another language. Then I can translate the whole document or just by word. I'll leave it on just by word for now. And here's what's happening. When I click a word, I'm getting side by side, or top and bottom, I guess, translated versions. And I can have it read aloud.
Del. Of. Lowest. Más bajos.
And notice for some of the words, I'm getting images to help me make sense of and provide a visual image and help me make sense of what the word might mean.
Dust. Polvo. Largest. Más grande.
And I can, of course, come back to the reading preferences and click the whole document, click off, and hit play.
Great Salt Lake en Utah es el lago natural más grande al oeste del río Mississippi.
There you go. That's how you would have your students use Immersive Reader to be able to have text translated and read aloud.